Let's have a quick room tour of a Queen Executive Suite, Lakeview room in Lincoln Downs Resort at Batemans Bay. So the location is at 11683 Princess Highway, Batemans Bay. As we enter, I'll put the key down, and we see the toilet, the bathroom, nice towel. Toilet, bathroom. Yeah. We have hairdryer, extra lighting, insect spray, an ironing board, extra blankets, an iron, sweet and lollies. They're chargeable, so I don't want to touch it. There's a kettle, coffee, tea. Yep, that'll be nice for the morning. Hope this is a fridge. Yep, it's a fridge. In the fridge there's beer and soft drinks. I'm pretty sure they're chargeable, so I won't be touching that either. Maybe the milk's free. What does it say? So his chips is 3, is it 3 or 5? Drink, sparkling water, still water, alcohol, probably about $10. Size for your luggage. Here's the bed. Now it took me a while to figure out how to turn the lights on, but the button's down there. So is the bed comfy? Yep. Firm. It's good. Here's a lounge. Aircon. Probably just, it's going to be freezing tonight. Table and chairs to sit down. TV. USB plug for charging. Extra cables. Extra power points. Oh, that's a bit noisy, isn't it? Let's turn that off. And this leads out to the lake view. Tennis court. We'll do a proper tour of the resort soon. But yeah, nice little view. All up, I think this cost me $274 Australian for 2 nights. Yeah, it's for the internet. So that's including taxes. It's pretty good. Good pricing.